did you allow him to go out of this house? Why? Now you can see, I can no longer attend the Igbo in council meeting. Can you see it?
I don't know when he left this house. I don't know.
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
Look at him coming now.
Where did you go to, Emelonye? Where did you go to?
I am just coming from Chife Ike's house. I went there and I confronted that evil man. I gave it to him the way he deserves. I gave it to him straight. I told him, you cannot destroy my life and my love. I gave it to him.
Thank you. Emelonye, you shouldn't have gone there.
Am I not a man?
You shouldn't have gone there.
Am I not a man? Okay,
you know that this man is saying...
Is it my fault? Am I?
This is the man. The man.
Arrest him.
Oh yeah. Move it now.
Move it now.
I use force on you. Move it. I use force on you now. Move it.
See, my son is not going anywhere. My son will never leave this place except to kill two of us.
Woman.
You get out of us.
You are obstructing an arrest. If you don't get out of the way now, I will move the two of
Go
you.
and sit down.
Get out.
What the hell?
I arrest both of them.
Because they are my son is not going anywhere.
Oh yeah.
My son is...
Arrest him.
I
have given you money. Arrest them.
Please what?
Allow them to take.
Please what?
Allow them to
If a man. You will die. If a man.
It's okay, Mama. I don't want them to hurt you. It's okay. It's okay.
On your shit.
It's okay. Let me
What's the problem? On your shit. Shame on you. I said shame on you. Woo! Go and sit down. Go and sit down, evil man. Go and sit down.
Come
down. Chiwe, come. Let them go. Oh, man, we are about to tell. Yeah? Yeah, Chiwe, never.
For what?
We go for him.
Papa, wait.
No.
Wait. Why are they arresting him, Papa?
Life will come to you. Love will come to you, Chando. The more you look through, the less you see. The closer you come, the farther it goes. Take a easy, everything will go better. No matter what you they go through now, remember say tomorrow day. Life will come to you, life will can do you.
Good afternoon. Hey, Keke man. Go and rest now. You're not feeling fine. Go and rest.
You won't understand. Where are you going?
I'm going to take a water.
You say here?
60 naira. 60 naira. Okay, no problem. Let's go. Take it easy.
Why are all these things happening to me? Why is my life like this? Mom, I'm getting frustrated. I don't know what is happening anymore. I just want to go. I just want to go away from his life. I just want to go for everything to be fine. I am tired. I just want to go in peace and be fine. I want to go. I want to go. Oh.
Stop. Stop this. You don't have to say this. You are all he wants. And you know that. Stay with him till the end of life. I know I don't have money, but I have mouth. If worse comes to worse, I will scream round the village and they will hear it. Everybody will hear it. You know I'm solidly behind you. You know that.
Please. Mama, I never planned for my life to go like this. I never planned for it like this. I don't know what is happening. I'm tired. I love him.
out of plea, we change the status quo. I gave Emelonye, your son, lots of money. And then he took lots of drink in my house that night. He took it before signing the oath. And then the agreement. He cannot go back on it. Eh? Tell your son to honor the agreement, or the oath will rear his ugly head. And you know the consequences. You know the devastating consequences. Eh? When it begins to happen, I will then produce the agreement to exonerate myself.
Biko, Chief, Odima, Biko, please, can you at least, please, release him from police? Yes, so we can talk to him into honoring the agreement and then respecting the oath.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. But he must first of all sign undertaking with the police before I release him. That one, he will not insult me again. Never.
For that one, he will
never try it.
He won't ever do it.
And two, he must perform the marriage rites to my daughter within 1 week. That way, Emelonye will have peace. And then me, I will have peace. If he fails though, I need not to tell you the consequences. But be assured that it will be devastating.
No, please, because you will get the knock. What can I? What? But I want to ask you a question. What is it about this your daughter that you are so desperate to give her out? Even under oath, agreement, and the money. Allow me, let me say my mind. To the extent of even giving out houses and even vehicles. Why? If there is anything about her that we should know, please let us know.
Please. Oh, Dikeh, you think I am doing bazaar with my daughter because something is wrong with her? Now I know that both of you are bunch of nincompoop. Let me warn you. Let Emelonye fail to keep to the agreement. Then you will know the devastating consequences. This meeting has ended. Get out of my house. I said get out of my house before something happens to you.
Please now, please.
Let Emelonye, your son, refuse to honor the agreement. Then you will know the consequences of the oath. Get out. Get out.
Biko.
Leave my house. Hey! Leave my house. Idiot. Let Emelonye not keep the agreement. Then you will know who I am. Bunch of nincompoop. You come to my house, you borrow money. And then you turn around. Today you will not pay the money. Let Emelonye not keep the agreement. You will see who I am. Nonsense. Bunch of idiots.
Mama, I appreciate how much you love me. But my Emelonye has been bought with money under oath. He will not marry me again. Chife Ike used trick and bought him for her daughter. I just want to go. I just want to go for them to marry themselves in peace. I don't want to be a problem to them. Mama, I do not want to cause pain and death to this lovely family. I just want to go, Mama. I just want to go.
No. It will not happen. I will go and see Lolo, the Igwe's wife. I will cry to her. I will also see the women leader. I have never seen where this kind of a thing happened. It must not start with my son. I have never seen where a man bought a husband for his daughter. It is you he wants. It is you we want. That man is evil. How can a man pick a boy to be his daughter's husband and also lock him up in police cell? He is evil and heartless. But I will give it to him one-on-one. Stop crying. It's okay.
My heart is broken. My heart is
broken. I'm here. Eh?
Okay, my friend. Now that my son has refused to sign any paper at the police station, what are we going to do?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. The way I saw him at that police cell, he's not prepared to do so anytime soon. And that heightens the fear that evil man Ike will activate that oath. That's my fear.
I'm thinking of something.
What is it?
I'm thinking of seeing the Igwe, confronting Chief Ike. Let him tell me why he should lure my son into an evil agreement. Let him tell me what his interests are. And let him tell me what the problem of his girl, his daughter, is. Okay. If he fails to give me the answers to these 3 questions, I am going to fight him. No. I will fight him. Possibly I will kill him.
You will not kill anybody.
I will kill him and lay my life for my son. Here that I am sitting, I am saturated with anger.
Take it easy, my brother. Take it easy. Seeing the Igwe is very important. It's good. At least that tells us the next step to take. But the bad news is Ike does not fear the Igwe. Have you forgotten so soon? During the last Ofala festival, did he not offer him a brand new saloon car? Our Igwe is a well-known ally to Chief Ike. So, tell me something else.
What again? What have you come to do? My son.
What is it? Here is your son. Chief Ike released him unconditionally, but requests that he comes to his house with you and the girlfriend to sort out everything immediately. I take my leave.
Pray to God, tomorrow you go better. Work hard, pray to God, Chica, come on. On your way, wanna wash you. I don't hear back. On your way, wanna walk. On your way, wanna walk.
Oh boy. The only reason he should be walking with this kind of wound on his head is just because of the fear of Chief Ike. God, Ojukwu okike, save us in this community. Nyeranya akabiko.
Work hard, pray to God.
Like I said before, I don't want to talk. Let us stop all this intimidation, harassment, threats, and anger. It will not help any of us. Emelonye, I have an amicable solution to all these problems. so that you can still marry my daughter. I have an offer.
Yeah. What offer?
Emelonye, I will give you a car. I will also give you my story building at Afo. I will give you land. I will also give you 2 million naira. You see, so that your mind can be at peace. And then you, Tracie, I will give you 1 million. And then I will continue to train you until you graduate from the university. You see, that car I bought for Chika, my daughter, I will give it to you. It will become your own. I want both of you to continue to be friends. What do you say?
Chief, why do you desperately want me to marry your daughter? I mean, why are you going about this whole thing like this? Why? What is that hidden thing? Why?
I have a terminal illness that will kill me any moment from now. My father wanted a reasonable man from a good family to marry me so that I can at least experience love before I die. The person he found happens to be you, my best friend's fiance. He doesn't want to let go because he likes you. And I love you. My father is not wicked or evil like people say. He's just desperate and wants me to have little joy before I go.
Mazi Dikeh, she is very correct. In fact, let me tell you, the doctor told me himself that my daughter have little or no time to live on this earth. He told me that she will die before 1 year. So all I want is for my daughter to feel it off. To feel it off. Before she go and join my ancestors. I'm not asking for too much. Mazi Dikeh.
I greet you. I greet you too, Nozema. I hope all is well. Your face doesn't look that. Yes, I greet you too, Nozema. No. Nadia, I went to Lolo's house and the women leader's house. I didn't meet any of them. I wanted to discuss one pressing issue with them, but I didn't meet them. Karnaba, maybe next time.
Bye-bye.
This one she smells. moving like this, are you sure she hasn't gone to collect money from Chife Ike, that devil himself? All is not well.
Emelonye, what I'm about to tell you now is not easy for me, but I have to say it. I think you should embrace the offer. Yes, he has said his reasons why he wants you to get married to Chika. Besides, Chika is not a bad person. And remember, you need the money. Your family needs the money. My love. I can see you're not in the mood to discuss this with me. But I shall take my time and explain to you the reason why you should accept this offer. You won't reject it. I promise you. You know I love you. And I want the best for you. I'm just saying this because I love her. She's my friend, my best friend. She has done a lot for me. I think this is the time I should pay her back. Okay?
You know, God, it takes somebody to love somebody. And love is a beautiful sign. Love is patient. Love is commitment. Love is care. Love is grace. I will hold you up whenever you're down.
You called me.
Taking my cap and my bead, and also my walking stick. Yeah, make sure that pepper soup you are cooking is better than the one you cooked the last time.
Daddy, don't you trust me again?
Of course, I trust you.
I can't wait.
I trust you.
Okay, let me cook you.
I'm waiting before I finish this beer.
Everything I narrated here came out of Chife Ike's mouth that day. He said, "Eat all. O Jonuya, O Jeriji Eriede, we." Our daughter here accepted it all. The only person yet to respond is our son, Emelonye. But I don't think he will object because the whole thing takes to his favor.
I am much relieved now, knowing what all these things is all about. So I don't care. Since Patricia will become my daughter-in-law, I'm okay with it. I want to move soon.
keke that is making all the first notes, 12 first notes between you.
You have made me happy.
But you know I love you.
But sometimes you don't behave.
This thing I'm telling you, this hustling. I need to make up the money for this cake. You know what Chife Ike used to behave.
I know, but please make up time for me.
Yes.
If not, you will not be here. You will not be together.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. It's not because of you I took this cake.
Amobi.
Sir? Good afternoon, sir.
Who was that girl I saw run into the bush?
Oh, okay. That girl. Okay. What's it, Jao? I carried her from Ojukwu coming down to this place. She started having stomach upset. If not that my hand was very strong, like I'm a professional in driving this keke, she would have pushed us inside the bush. So, since there's bush around here, I had to stop here and I told her to enter the bush and go and purge. So that the purgery will not spoil the keke. That's why I told her to enter inside. Everything is okay, sir. Everything is fine. I'm waiting for once she just finished. I will take her. She's going to Anuka. I will take her to that place. Thank you, sir.
Amobi.
Sir?
Did you remember the advice I gave you when you came to take this keke on hire purchase?
Yes. You said if I see Pino, I should boop you. She doesn't have Pino, so that's why I carried her from Tunko. She's going to Amuku Junction.
But Amobi, you are not Bupuiniru.
No. From the day I started this thing, this keke, I've been Bupuiniru. That's why I've been Bupuiniru.
Amobi.
Sir?
So you think I did not see her? Oh, that girl is your girlfriend, Chioma.
Oh, is that her name? Chioma! Be fast, oh, be fast. I didn't know this is her name, oh. I didn't know it's her name.
Hey, you know it is not her name. It is not her name, Amobi. Let my 1 naira miss from my weekly balance. Then, it is then that you will know whether her name is Chioma or not. You hear me? Let my 1 naira miss, Amobi. I advise you to boop Iru, Amobi. You don't want to boop Iru. Let my 1 naira miss. Amobi, let my 1 naira miss. Then you will know whether her name is Chioma or not. Let my 1 naira miss.
Okay, don't cry now.
That was it, okay, my brother. That was it. Despite the great offer Chife Ike made, my son refused. I have done virtually everything possible for him to understand me. He refused. He is still adamant.
So the whole arrangement of Chife Ike was not born out of evil, as we presumed.
Hey!
Hey, oh, I feel pity for Chife Ike.
I'm telling you.
So, in actual fact, it is Emelonye that is doing him some bad. But it's not proper. Eh? What was the man asking for? What is offering is mouth-watering, and what is asking is considerable.
Yeah, can you see?
So why?
Chife
Why is he refusing?
Chife Ike is no longer a problem. But my son.
Anyway, I will pass by your house.
I
will pass by your house and try and talk to him. If he listens, well, it's okay. If he doesn't listen, we'll leave him alone.
Can you do this?
Why?
In fact, if you do this, I'll be very grateful.
I hope he will listen. If he doesn't listen, well, I will do my best. Though. If he doesn't listen,
Please do this for me. We shall all benefit from it. It's hurting me. It's breaking me down. It's not easy for me. But I have to do it for my friend. I love her so much. And I want the best for her. This is the time for me to return all the favor she has shown me. Please. Embrace this offer. We shall all benefit from it. I beg of you. Please. Please. Okay. Whenever Chika suffers an attack, I am the one that always takes her to the hospital. Even before she told you that she has just a year to live, the doctor told me in confidence. I know already. She has a short life. I know everything concerning her. Baby, don't think that I'm running away from you. No. I will always be there waiting for you. Get married to her. When she eventually dies, then I will come back to you. Then we can get married. And stay happily ever after, please. All I want you to do now is to go and see Chief. Tell him you have accepted his offer. We need to take everything he promised you. The money and all the benefits. Please. Don't do this. Just go.
Apago mumbo kibe muwe Imane ejega mi jelata Mani nebe kanebe Abogini kamere chibuwe
Emelonye, thank God you have finally come. Congratulations.
Chief, here's my answer. Regarding your daughter's health, I have a friend whose father is a herbalist, a renowned herbalist. Yes, he cures different diseases with herbs. I can take Chika there to get treatment. Yes.
You are free to take her anywhere you want to take her. She is already your wife. Take her anywhere. Anything you want to do with her, you do.
I do not want your money. Neither do I want your property.
That was why we came. Hence, Emelonye has refused to marry your daughter. I brought my own son, Obinna. Obinna is a student at the State Polytechnic. Very sharp and brilliant. Oh, you didn't lie, no? You see, he has promised to marry your daughter and show her true love. As you yourself, you have shown that you are a man with a large heart. That you can get the house, the money, and the car. Isn't it?
Right away, sir. And I think we're fully ready for the marriage rights. That's if what you want. Am I right?
Yes, I am ready to be your in-law. Okay. Sir. Is Dikeh your friend aware that you are here for this purpose? Not at all. He can never know. No. Why? Except, of course, you want me to tell him. Obinna.
Yes, Chief.
Have you seen my daughter before?
I don't need to see her. I think I'm very okay however she is. What matters is we'll do what you want.
Yes, yes, yeah. And I'm ready too. I'm ready to be your in-law. Now I want you and your father to get out of my house. Now, this minute. What? Get out! Chief, Biko, take a very good look at this, my handsome son. This is somebody who is ready to take over from what Emelonye rejected. We're talking about your daughter. He's ready to show her true love. Oh, love do not the heart. He wants to show true love. Don't reject him also. Get out before I call the police. Police! Obuloku police, Awam. Get out! Police. Anamo, police. Get out! Awamo. Papa! He's talking about police there. Why you get out? Papa! Come, let us go. Let us go. Papa! You think I want to use my daughter to play football or bazaar? My daughter will belong to who I want her to belong to. Idiot. I'm robbers. Come, tell your son to move to where my daughter is. Because my daughter will belong to who I want her to belong to. Yoshi. I'm robbers. Want my money and my car.
She and my wife, I went to Chief Ike's place and he repeated all the promises he made. And he equally told me that Okike came to his house with his son Obinna to replace our son Emelonye, to take the money, the car, and the house, and marry Chika, his daughter. Can you imagine that? Emelonye.
And what happened?
He drove them out. He drove them away from the house.
Nine. It's like we are not seeing what Emelonye is seeing.
Okay.
If we can make Emelonye take the offer and marry Chika, it will be a gain-gain situation. Do you understand me? Or what do you think?
What? I'm still thinking of something.
What?
Till the day breaks. Till the day breaks. Let's sleep. Actually, whatever. What did you say happened? What happened?
She is gone. I'm telling you, my love, Trisha, she's gone. I woke up, I said the whole house. I couldn't find her. Then I saw this note she left.
And what did she write?
She said she's not coming back. She's gone, except I accept the chief's offer.
She is right. I don't know what is wrong with you. Chife Ike might be whatever he is, but in this matter, he is 100% right. Yes. What this man seeks from you is not much. And what you stand to lose if you refuse is so much. So much. And Patricia wants every good thing for you. I don't know what is wrong with you. What is actually wrong with you?
All this arrangement is simple. Marry Chika just to fulfill her father's wish. And when Haji calls her, you at least honor her for 1 year and still come back to marry the love of your life, Patricia. You are not wishing her dead though. But just marry her to fulfill the father's wish because of her condition. And they say the sickness she has cannot infect you. So what is there? Just marry her to save us this stress. Because no man.
Hasten up, oh. Hasten up. Make haste while the sun shines. Look at that greedy man, Okike. He's fronting his son Obinna to take everything that the man offered. I have told you all. That is all.
It's teaching time saves time. Oh?
Fortune will always favor the brave, so I will never give up.
What have I done?
So you took your son Obinna to Chife Ike to marry his daughter Chika, so that you will claim everything he offered.
I can explain.
You are wicked. You are very wicked. You are Judas. That is what you are. You promised you were coming to my son to talk to him. And I was happy all this while, waiting for you to come and talk to him. All you did was rohe. You did rohe and went to him. Isn't it? And you are here now claiming you this and that.
What I did, I did it for the two of us. I didn't want us all to lose out. What the man was offering was so tempting for what is involved. See, Obinna, my son, was prepared to offer his dying daughter that love that she needs. And at least he will claim that thing that he has offered We will both use it, for our own advantage. That was what I was thinking of, and that was why I was doing all those things I did, though. Because of the two of us, so as our friends now, I didn't want us to lose out. That was why.
You are very wicked. You were enticed by that offer, and that is why you did what you did. I can see. I would have known you are like this.
Biko, I'm sorry. Biko, forgive. Let's forgive and forget everything that has happened.
But I don't have your time now. I'm going to my friend in Nakude. Until I come back, then I have anything to tell you, I will tell you. You have done it. No problem.
Don't take offense.
Don't go your own.
Let me just explain.
I don't have time for you.
Odogu.
Life can pull you wire. Love can pull you chando. The more you look good, the less you see. The closer you come, the farther it goes. Take a easy, everything will go better. No matter what you they go through now, remember say tomorrow day.
Why am I suffering like this all because of love? Why?
So beautiful, her heart so beautiful. I can never love anybody else, baby. Why am I? 'Cause I love you today, I will love you tomorrow, I love you forever and never, no matter what the people say, no matter what tomorrow says. Aquamonagi, yes and no more biggie, yes and no makagi. Come on, ragi mama. Makana chukwu kike na megoro mi and yara ya. Ay, wayama. Chioma, Achalugomwe, Abandonwe. I've given you the rest of me for the rest of our lives. For better, for worse, I'll be by your side. I surrender my pride to lift you up. I'll give my everything just to make you happy. I'll never let you down. I can never, never, never love anybody else, baby, baby. Why you're mine?
Look, Chika, I swear with my heart, I'm really ready to do anything for you, okay? See, I'm ready to be your houseboy, your servant, whatever thing, your errand boy, just to make you happy. Whatever pleases you, I'm okay. Please.
Really?
Yes.
So you're saying that if I accept you now, you're ready to be my errand boy, my servant, and my slave, right?
Yes, and right away.
You're a fool.
What?
A big one at that.
Chika, you called me a fool.
You heard me. If I had wanted a servant or a slave, I would have gotten them. What I need is a man, a real man. A man that has a mind of his own, not a weakling like you. Now get out! Chika. Get out of my father's compound! Get out! Get out! Let me see you here again. Idiot! You want to marry Chika? Rubbish.
You mean she told you that?
Yes, that was what she said. Despite me, Obina, telling her that I will be her slave.
Gini?
I said I will be her slave.
Slave? To a woman? Here. Oh. Anyway, Obina, you have to go to the house and sleep.
Huh?
All the dream of owning a car, house, and all the money involved. Go. So let us go back and start living our life the way we were before. Let me go and see if I can make up with my friend Dikeh.
Wait, Papa. Are you trying to say that all hope has been lost?
Are you deaf or dumb or both of them? Which one? I said go home and sleep. All the dream of owning a car, money, everything on now go. Let us continue living our life the way it was before.
Papa, you're not a good planner. Papa, you're not a good planner. Yes.
My friend, if you know who Chife Ike is, you will not talk like that. You messed everything up when you told a woman that you want to be her slave. Nonsense. Let me go and see how I can make up with my friend. That woman slave.
I don't want you around me. I don't want to listen to you. Don't tell me anything. Go your way.
Dikeh, Biko, listen to him. There is something I told him.
Yes, I know you are angry with me. But please hear me out. Please, hear me out.
Say it.
One Ojukwu here told me that a close confidant of Chife Ike told him, Ojukwu, that beyond what Ike presents on the surface lies a deep reason.
Yes.
Ojukwu, is it true?
I swear with my life.
I know you are angry, but take my advice. Don't allow your son Emelonye take that offer. Don't allow it to. Hey, if you know Chife Ike, if you know him very deep, hey, you will run into exile with your son far, far away from him. You could take my advice.
Dikeh, Biko, Biko. Oh?
Take my advice, oh. Take my advice. Remember our friendship. Take my advice. God knows I've said my soul.
Emelonye. Nna. Emelonye, please open the door. Come and eat something. Oh? Please come and eat something. You've not eaten anything since morning. Because, oh? Okwano ma, Emelonye, okwano mua. Emelonye, because come and eat.
Mama, I do not want to eat. Hear me, I do not want to eat. People should go and provide Trisha. Go and provide Trisha if you want me to eat or do anything. I know that you planned this thing with her. You planned it with her just to convince me. You and Papa should get ready to carry my dead body. If you do not provide Trisha, get ready to carry my dead body.
Please come and eat first. Come. Put it down. Come and eat something. Oh? Come, my son. Come out. Please come and eat something. He locked himself inside the room and he has refused to eat anything and as well refused to come out.
Leave him there. Let him be there. I prefer him in there. Hunger and thirst will force him to reason as a man and accept the offer.
Ibu diala, ay manabu ni sigebu, ay emenu mana manem, anyika nebiye. Fortune will always favor the brave, so I will never give up, no matter the time. Life will come play you while love will come play you chando. The more you look good, the less you see. Adikatazi, adikingolongo, adikuwabugo. When that you seek it all the way, I'm gonna say no gadima. Life is like a book, so you can read at your own time. And every page is worthy of reading, so you can make your own meaning. Regardless of my own understanding, based on your own understanding, you can build your own surrounding. The fortress of the riches in the world he crave for the pain of the poison, the vision he lacked. But at the end of the day, both of them are human. One must bury the other at the end of the day. So you see, life is just temporal, and everything you see around is just a passing glance. Poor man or rich man, both of them are titled. Anyone you want to be, remember you fit be. Life will come play you while love will come play you chando. The more you look good, the less you see. The closer you come.
Please help me and break the door. Restless.
Leave him there. As you see me here now, I am very, very confused. I don't know what to believe anymore. Don't know.
Even Patricia. Patricia is not doing what we agreed on. He has not even come out to where we planned the meeting and for her to be having updates. He has refused to come out to the place where we agreed that she will be coming out for updates.
Wait. You planned Patricia's disappearance with her?
Yes. I planned it with her. And ask her to switch off her phone. And we plan that we'll be meeting at the back of the primary school for updates. And we plan we'll be meeting twice a day.
Hey! How? So many mysteries. So many interests. Chinwe, how many are still remaining? How many of them? Eh? How? Who will rescue me? Only you. Come to my rescue. This situation is overwhelming me. It's weighing me down.
You're so beautiful.
Obim, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that day. Okay, you know what, Don't worry. As soon as I finish paying for this keke, the keke is the problem. 800,000 is not 800 naira. Once, as soon as I finish paying for it, you and I go to Ribendo. That's all. Just give me little patience, please.
Please. Do you know the one that pained me the most? You had to lie that I was purging. You used me to lie.
Oh, purge. Just leave the purge, accept the apology. Maka police. Biko. Oh, yeah, they get mad and they to free. Don't worry, don't worry. Chife Ike! Chife! Hey! I love them!
Oh, so you are the malaria that Amobi is suffering from? This is where Amobi come to balance you before he come to my house to balance me. How can he balance me? How can? Did I not tell him that anytime he sees somebody like you, he should boop Oiru? Amobi refused. Okay, let me tell you. Very soon, I will take my keke.
So I will never give up, no matter the time. Life will come play you while love will come play you chando. The more you look good, the less you see. Adikatazie, adikingolonko, adikuwabuko. When did you seek it all away?
Patricia, where are you? Hey, Patricia, please come over. Come. Emelonye is dying now. Emelonye has refused to open the door, not even to eat. He does not even want to hear that he's married to Chika. Talk more of doing it too. Pick on one. Come and make him eat at least. Our plans are no more working now. Our plans are no more working now, Patricia. And Mom, come first. Come and make him eat first, you know. Pick on. Okay, darling. Thank you, no?
This is life I can do you, Bobby. Love I can pull you, Chando. The more you look good, the less you see. Sometimes it could be like say man, you know they see the closer you come, the farther it goes. Did you wanna know how to unfair? I got a menu. I get Chizzy Babu Araku. I cook a rabu quamu, no Buzakini coaches, you so you know. Ibudiala.
Hey! Now I believe one Joko. Something is really fishy. Hi. No. I must save my son first.
Emelonye, open the door and eat something. Oh, I've called her on phone. She's coming. Open the door and eat something. Anuka, open.
Bring her back. That's all I want to hear. Bring her back. I want to hear her voice. When you bring her, I'll open the door. If not, I'm not opening. My phone, my battery is even down, so she cannot reach me. Since you can reach her, bring her back home. Bring her here.
I say I've called her on phone. Before you finish eating, you will see her. She's on her way coming. You don't have to starve yourself. Be cozy. Oh, come out. Come out and eat your food. Come out first. Oh, Emelonye. Come now. Come out first. Be cozy. Oh. Emelonye, be cozy.
Okay, I have warned you before. Let me be. Leave me alone. I don't have anything to do with you.
Don't worry. You can have what of this little thing?
Look, I don't have your time now. I'm going to save my son first. Yes. Let me go and save him. Leave me alone, please.
You're my friend. I cannot allow you
to
go.
Okay, I'm giving you so much time.
You are the only person I have in this community.
You want us to fight it before you leave me?
We will not fight, you know.
We are going to fight, oh. I'm going to use this thing on you. I will use it on you before you go serious.
Kill me.
I won't kill you, but let me be.
Hey!
Leave me alone. I don't have your time.
Biko.
I don't have your time.
Biko, no matter what happens, dialogue. Let us dialogue and then talk about it. Okay,
I don't have the time for you. Leave me alone. I said I don't have time for you. You're wasting my time, oh. Except you want us to fight.
We will not fight. I have an explanation to make. You see what I'm trying to tell you. No matter what happens, our friends will understand. You are the same.
This is a life I can do you, Bobby. Love I can pull you, Chandu. The more you look good, the less you see. Sometimes it could be like say man, you know they see the closer you come, the farther it goes. Did you want to know how to learn fair? I got a man. I get Jizzy Babu Aragu. I could call Rabu Quabu Quamu, no Buzakini coaches, so you know. Ibu Diala, I, Manobuni Sigebu. I, Ebenu man, and one them, and you can be. Fortune will always favor the brave. So I will never give up, no matter the time. Life I can play you wild. Love I can play you gentle. The more you look good, the less you see.
This is where it ends. If I cannot marry you, Tricia, I will not live to marry anyone else. Never.
If I go away for 9 years, love is so beautiful thing.
I love you, Tricia. And I will die for your love.
I heard you loud and clear, my love. I am here now. Please open the door. Open the door.
It's so beautiful.
Please, Chief, I beg, please. I wanted to. Please. Please.
What is it?
Please. I want.
Yeah. What is it,
sir?
Mama. Bubu. Okay. Bubu. Stand up.
Please.
Stand up, oh. Get up, you are my kinsman. You're not supposed to kneel. Get up! Is it every time that we will be doing war? I have come in peace this time. Look, let me tell you. Your son, Emelonye, will marry my daughter. And his love. Finish!
Chief, not again now. Are you not tired of doing this? Not again now. Do you want my blood? Will you kill me? See, I have made it clear she's the one I love, okay? And I'm going to marry her, and not your daughter.
People, please.
Look at you. Look, let me tell you. That girl with you is my daughter. Chika here is only her friend. So therefore, you will marry my daughter and your love.
Exactly. He's telling the truth. Trisha confided in me on how she told her father about Emelonye here, and how the father decided to know if the love he has for her is real before giving her out to him in marriage. And the drama about me being sick and all that, it was just a stunt. I was never sick. Never.
Baby.
Is it true?
Yes. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry I hid it from you. Everything they just said here is the truth. My father wanted to know the quality of love you have for me. That was why. I'm very sorry.
That is correct.
He's your father.
Exactly. Baby, I'm sorry. I never meant to do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Please. Please.
Look, let me tell you. I already knew about both of you before I gave you that money for your school fees. The first money I gave you, I already knew about it. See, I really wanted to know if you really love my daughter or you were coming after the money of her father. But now you have proved that you are a really man. You did not want money, you want love. Therefore, Emelonye, I will embarrass you with money.
Hey. Hey, Papa.
Please, somebody tell me I'm dreaming.
You are not dreaming, no? You are not dreaming. It is me, Chife Ike, that is talking here. Look, Emelonye, let me tell you. That money I said I will give you, I will give you. I will give you that car, I promise. I will give you 2 land. I will give you a house. I will give you 5 million. And my daughter, I will give you 1 million. You see, I am not a wicked man like everybody is saying, thinking I'm a wicked man in this village. I am not. I am only a businessman after my money and the interest. That land I took from Okike, I will return to him. I did not sell it. I got it from the money I was spending that time is the money I got from my land I sold in the city, 16 million. Amobi. Sir, Okike. Because you will not be settling me, you'll be settling yourself now. That keke, I have given it to you. I have keke.
Tracie!
Hey! That is the only thing that can do this for Chica! Let the I have keke. Let somebody come and hug me now. What
Thank you.
It takes somebody to love somebody, and love is a beautiful sign. Love is patient, love is commitment, love is care, love is grace. I will hold you up whenever you're down. Yeah. If I'm with you,